Hello students, let us continue with the DSP class. Last class I have covered up, first class I had covered up DFT formula. This was the DFT formula. Second, in this formula, whatever e raised to minus j 2 pi by n kn was there, no? That I had converted into Twiddle factor. That means the factor e raised to minus j 2 pi by n, I took it as Wn, and e raised to minus j to 2 pi by n into kn, whatever is there, no, that I converted into Wn raised to kn. That is e raised to minus j 2 pi by n kn. I took this as Wn raised to kn. Hence, this is called as Twiddle factor. This is called as Twiddle factor. And the formula, whatever x of k was there, no, I converted into, now it becomes x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n Wn raised to kn. This is the simplified or easy formula for us to apply for. Okay, try to remember this formula also from the fundamental formula. This, along with that, this is also very important formula. Now x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n Wn raised to kn. Actually Wn raised to kn is a Twiddle factor. Now another way we can apply this formula. Now let us consider k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Similarly small n also 0 to n minus 1. In that case I will just expand this formula just for n equal to 4. N equal to 4. Now how this becomes? First let me calculate x of 0. X of 0 is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n Wn raised to k has become 0 now, hence it becomes Wn raised to 0. If I expand this, no, x of 0 becomes, now I have to expand this summation, x of 0 Wn 0 plus x of 1 Wn 0 x of 2 Wn 0 plus x of 3 Wn 0. I expanded like this. Similarly, x of 1 becomes equal to x of 0 Wn 0 plus x of 1 Wn 1 plus x of 2 Wn 2 plus x of 3 Wn 3. Like this I have expanded. You can expand till x of 3. This, whatever expansion I am doing now, I can keep it in the matrix notation for easy following. That means this formula, whatever is there now, this formula I can keep it as a matrix form. I will write now matrix form. The DFT formula I can keep it in the matrix notation. How exactly is that? That is this. X is equal to small x into Wn. Small x into Wn. What is small x? Small x is the input signal. What is big X? Big X is the output DFT. Now for n equal to 4, I will write this formula. How to do this? See, very simple. X of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. This x, whatever is there, no, I expanded it. This is DFT output. Is equal to, first I will write the W, that is Twiddle factor. How to write this? Wn 0 Wn 0 Wn 0 Wn 0. Similarly, the first column also Wn 0 Wn 0 Wn0. Next, Wn1, Wn2, Wn3. Next, Wn2, Wn4, Wn6. Then Wn3, Wn6, Wn9. Now if you see, first very easy, fill with Wn0s here as well as here, and then 1, 2, 3, then 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, then 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, like this. For any things rest for 8 also you can do like this. And what about this? This is input x0, x1, x2 and x3. Okay, you already know what is the twiddle factor which is there here. Now you know the twiddle factor for 4-point DFT. See here, 4-point DFT twiddle factors, you know that. This is 1, this is minus j, this is minus 1, this is plus j. This is Wn0, this is Wn1, this is Wn2, this is Wn3. This is the twiddle factor. Hence, for n equal to 4, the above matrix, or in the matrix notation you can write like this. See, I will write now x0, x1, x2, x3. This is the DFT output, or DFT what I call frequency signal. This is the twiddle factor matrix. Wn0, please fill it with 1 1 1 1. Similarly, first column 1 1 1 1. Okay. Now Wn1, Wn1, what is Wn1? Wn1 is minus j. Wn2 minus 1, Wn3 plus j. Coming to this, Wn2 is minus 1. Okay. Wn4 is 1. Wn6 is what? As already I have told you in twiddle factor concept. See, Wn0 means this is Wn4, this is Wn5, this is Wn6. Wn6 means minus 1. Okay. Similarly, now Wn3, what about Wn3? It is plus j. Wn6, again Wn6 means what? Wn2. It is minus 1. Wn9, what about Wn9? Again Wn9 means Wn1. Why it is so? See, this is Wn4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again Wn9 becomes Wn1, which is minus j. Now this is input x0, x1, x2, x3. This is how this twiddle. Now you can find out. I will take in the next slide or next board a simple example and solve you this. Please see this. This twiddle factor matrix filling is very easy. First row you fill it with 1. First column also you fill it with 1. And then directly come to third row. Third row minus 1, minus 1. Similarly minus 1, minus 1. Then you have to fill it with minus j, complement j. Here complement of minus 1, j, and then minus 2. It is very easy to fill this matrix. Let me take an example in the next slide so that I can convey you the application of matrix form, so that DFT formula can be applied. Okay, let us solve a numerical example. In this I have given with x of n, which is time domain signal 1 2 3 4. Okay, I have to find corresponding DFT x of k. Let me solve this example using the matrix formula. It is very easy for us to apply the matrix formula. Hence I am using matrix formula. Otherwise also you can solve this with the help of the fundamental formula of DFT. Anyway, I will use the matrix formula. I have already covered up in the previous board the matrix formula. This is the DFT x0, x1, x2, x3. This, please take here n equal to 4. Okay, I am solving this for the signal n equal to 4 now. It is equal to, I have to write the matrix, the Tweedle factor matrix. I have already told you how to write the Tweedle factor matrix. Here the time domain signal x0, x1, x2, x3 comes into picture. Now see this, very easy for you to fill this Tweedle factor matrix. First 1, 1, 1, 1, first row. Similarly, first column 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and then directly come to the third row. Third row or third column, anything. 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, third row I filled with 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Similarly, third column 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, now we have filled. First entry after this real 1 and minus 1 entry will be minus j. Enter here minus j. Then the conjugate plus j. Minus j is here, plus j should be there here. Conjugate. J is there, and then the corresponding conjugate minus j will be here. Within a second you can fill it completely with the Tweedle factors for 4 point. Now I have to find this x0, x1, x2, x3 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus j, 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 minus j, and then here the time domain signal which is given 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let me find x0. X0 is equal to first row, first column. Anyway, 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 2, 2, plus 1 into 3, 3, plus 1 into 4, 4. The answer becomes 10. Now x1, x1. How to find x1? First, second row, this column. 1 into 1, minus j into 2, minus 3, plus 4j. 4j. That means your answer becomes minus 2 plus j2. x2, 1 into 1, minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. Minus 2 is your answer. x3, now x3, this and this. 1 plus j2 minus 3 minus j4. Now it became minus 3, 1, minus 2, minus j2. You can see that these two are complements to each other. Hence, my DFT answer has come. X of k. Anyway, I will write here 10, comma, minus 2 plus j2, comma, minus 2, minus 2, minus j2. This is my answer. Okay, this is my answer. Very simple to do this. Next, you please take this as assignment 2, where you are given with x of n, which is 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, n equal to 4. n equal to 4. Now you have found it. You have to find this and upload the answer. Okay. You have to do it today only, so that I can continue with the next classes. Once I confirm that you are solving the assignment and you are understanding the concepts, I can go ahead. Otherwise, in this online class, what happens is I will not get whether you are understanding or not. Please try to solve these assignments. If any doubts are there, you can have consult with me on your group, otherwise individually also, but clarify the doubts and proceed further. Okay, thank you.